Devising online, your phone is ringing. Please attend your phone.
Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see how we can create a task which can get triggered when your phone is ring. So basically I have done that to make an announcement to my Echo devices whenever my phone rings. So it creates an announcement on my Alexa devices. But you can do whatever you want which is supported by uh, Echo and Alexa. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to create an event. So event can be generated by going to the profiles, and we need to create a plus and then click on create, and there is an event. An event will be related to the phone and with phone ringing. So if you want to create an announcement on your Echo devices, you need to use VoiceMonkey, which is a kind of API based platform which help us to integrate Alexa related events and help us trigger it using an API endpoints. So here you don't need to do anything, priority and all. We can just click back on this, and now what we need to do is we need to select a task. So here I have selected the temp task because I don't want to expose my endpoint to the YouTube. So I don't want anyone to just hit that endpoint and make an announcement to my Echo devices. That's why I'm going to hide it. So if you go to this particular event, you will see I am just flashing this, and this is the notification category uh, which I used for getting notified whether it is working or not. And here is the magic part where it is making a call. So this is the HTTP request, and here what I have done is I have added a API URL for it. So it's not a proper URL. So when you generate it using a VoiceMonkey, you will see some URL here, and then all you need to just do is paste it in here. So whenever your phone rings, this task will be executed and it will call this particular API. So in the later of the section, in the later video of the section, I will explain how to use VoiceMonkey and create an announcement event for your Alexa devices.
So in order to get started with VoiceWonky, all you need to do go to the console and sign up yourself. So do remember that if you're going to log in or sign up, you need to use the same account which you have used with Amazon. So only then it will be really fruitful because it will going to integrate with the Amazon services at the end of the day. So I have already included it. So when I go to the console, I have just click on that login with Amazon. The reason why I'm like showing it in a Word document because there are more very sensitive information comes up while developing it, so I don't want to expose those. So sorry about that. It is not a kind of a live video kind of thing. So when you click on the login with Amazon, it will show you the credential, or if you already logged in on that particular browser, it will just logged you in inside it. So when you log in, you will see bunch of things. And if you are going to the first time, you won't see any of those things. So you need to add it by yourself. So if you don't have anything, we will just start with the ad speaker, but you don't have to use head speaker if you just using it as a trigger and control other devices. But this is very useful when you want to do an announcement on the go. So for the sake of the information, I will just show you this as well because that is the only thing which will be left if I just explain the ad trigger. So first, let's see how to add a speaker to it. So when you click on the add speaker section, uh, you can come to this by using a device icon. So when you click on this add speaker button, you will see this kind of screen which will ask you to add a new device. So all you need to do is you need to name a device. So I will suggest that put a monkey as a prefix and the device name which you have already given a name to it. So I'm using it as an Amazon speaker because it is the trigger point of my Echo device. So I'm using that and click on next. When you click on next, you will see this screen where it will ask you to complete setup. You need to create a new routine in the Alexa app with your device as the trigger and the action, the monkey skill. So all you need to do is you need to go to the Alexa, and you should need to find this as a virtual device, and you need to create a routine. I will show you all the steps which is needed for this. So I think let's get back to the mobile interface and see what can be done.
So now if you can see, after following the step, when I click next, Monkey Amazon speaker has been found. So uh, it will be available with us in order to create a routine. So now what we need to do is we need to follow the steps. So let me just go to the app, and before continuing with this, I will show you what skills we need to sign into so that you can get the idea. So skills and games, we need to type voice monkey. So this one is the skills which we have to sign into. So as you can see, it is already been added to my thing. I will not going to show you like how to sign out and sign in, because it might forget all my devices and it will be really time consuming for me to re-add all the things again. So I will not go into that part. So once you integrated that, all you need to do is go to the Amazon routines here, and in that you need to create a, so what it was saying, great news, it seems your device has been added. To complete the setup, you need to create a new routine in the Alexa app with your devices as the trigger and the action of opening is your desired device. So let's just create a routine first. So I think routine is here. So in order to find it again, I will just create a smart home routine, and I will name it voice monkey as a prefix, so that everything related to voice monkey will come up in a same section. So here what I need to do is smart home. Here I need to use that device which I have just connected. So it should show Amazon monkey Amazon speaker. So let's just select this, and it is acting as a virtual bell. So we will see how we can just modify the properties of it so that it will not do ding dong whenever it gets triggered. So for now, let's just save it, and in the execution part, we need to use Alexa skills on it. So let's just use skills, your skills. So your skills will be the skills which you have given access to. So here you can see the voice monkey smart home kind of thing. So let's just click on it and click next. And now what we can do is there is a Echo devices which I have named. So I activated using Amazon, so that's why I have added it as an Amazon device. So I will just click on choose device and choose my Amazon Echo. Fire TV stick, living Echo, living Fire TV, my Echo Show. Store Echo dot is the name. So this is where my devices is there. So I will just click on save. So now routine has been saved. So the steps which I have done is already been done. And before moving this, let's just go to the devices first. And I will just okay, it was showing in front. So let's just go inside it. So this is the virtual device which we have created using voice monkey skill. So here what you need to do is you need to uncheck this doorbell announcement. So whenever it gets triggered, it will not do any ding dong and anything, and I think everything else is just fine. So let's just click a save on it, and I think we don't need to do anything now. So I will just click on back and it should be saved. Let's just see it again and see. So announcement has been stopped. So I think we are good to go. So let's now go to the interface and see how things will go there.
So after following the step, we have created a routine. So basically we are on this tab to sign in and voice monkey skills and follow the instructions. So we have created a routine using this particular device. And on the speak to section, we have added the actual device which will going to be used. So basically what it will do is uh, whenever we choose speaker on the platform like this one, it will route it using that routine and speak to the actual device. So that is all what it is doing. I know it is confusing at first, but once you do a one device, you will understand that how easy it is. So after creating a routine there, all you need to do is click on the sync device button. And when you click on it, you will hear a sound from that actual device which you have choose in the speak to section of the routine. So you will see, you will like hear something like your device has been connected. So when you listen to that, you can just click on yes. When if you hear the sound, if you know, then it will ask you to resync and all. But 98% of the time it actually works. If it doesn't, then you need to follow the steps again, and you should be able to hear the sound. So after that, you will like see that screen which says congratulations, your device is ready to use. And when you click on the view device, you will see Monkey Amazon speaker is been added. So that is all what you need to do. For this, you can click on this and test. It will produce some sound from the device which you have selected. So by that, you can see that whether device is connected to this or not. So where it will be used in announcement API, which we will see in the later of the section of the video, where when we choose device and do announcement on it, there we have to use this speaker and do things accordingly. So now let's see how to add trigger, which is actual task for us. So when you click on the devices, you will see the devices, and when you scroll a little bit down, you will see this routine trigger section. So here you will need to click on this add trigger button. So when you click on it, all you need to do is you need to add a name to it. So that name will be like shown in your Alexa app as a virtual device. So when you like create a trigger and it asks for when to start, there you need to select home and then select these devices. So that will be the trigger devices for us. So do remember that name, and I will suggest to prefix with voice monkey so that all the voice monkey related triggers will be shown like next to each other. So when you add a name and click on next, it will create an API for us. So the way you can find it, you need to go to the API v2. So earlier we were in the devices section, but now in order to see the URL, you need to go to the API v2 and routine trigger APIs. And there you need to click on the routine trigger API. As you can see, there are three of them. So currently we are interested in routine trigger API only. So here you need to select the virtual device which you have created just now. So you can just use voice monkey. You can add any name to it. It don't supposed to be related to the that speaker only. So you can uh, write a name like voice monkey trigger 1, trigger 2, something. So here when you select on it, it will change the variables here, and the token I have hide it. So you have a unique token for yourself. So using that, you can actually trigger this thing. So once you do that, when you get the API, so that API URL will be needed in our task, which I have shown it in the earlier section of the video. So you need to copy that and paste it into the HTTP request pipeline. We will just see it in a bit. And the only thing pending is how to use speaker, which we have already added. So maybe I will just add it in a bit. So now let's see the virtual speaker which we have added, how to use that. So that will be used using announcement API. So let's just get back and see what we were talking about. So in this section, we have used add speaker. So that is a section. This is the voice monkey, and we have used like when we click on the device, it will ask you for a add speaker section. So when you click on it, you can add a speaker to it. So we have added a speaker name here, and then click on next, and then it asks us to create a routine and choose the devices which that speaker is supposed to link with. So after doing that, we have click on the sync device button, and then the speaker which we have chosen did an announcement like it has been connected to the voice monkey. So when it hears that, we have clicked next yes on it. So that is the thing which we have done, and it was started to show. So where we have used it, so in the announcement API. So when you go to the console.voicemonkey.read API, so here you have a menu on the left side, API v2 and announcement API. Here you need to choose your edit speaker. So it will be a list of there will be a list of speakers which will be shown in the drop down. So this is our I have selected that, and according to the selection, your API URL will be changed. So when you like type anything in the announcement text section, what it will do is, and when you click on the send request, it will actually take that text and announce it on your actual device. So that is what it is doing. So there you will be used, you will use your devices to announce anything. So one way you can also do that, you can add it, you can actually use this particular URL in the tasker HTTP request and choose the particular devices here if you don't want to create a routine on your Alexa app. So I think we are done with this section. Let's go to the next section.
Now we have added a routine trigger on the voice monkey. Let's just go to the Alexa app and see what we have there. So when you go to the device, here you will see another virtual device. So it is a triggering point which help us to do certain things whatever we want. So it's a trigger kind of device. So similar devices can be found like in the light sensor or maybe Zigbee switches. So it is a kind of a virtual thing. So before proceeding, what we need to do is we need to click on it and change its announcement type. So doorbell announcement, so I don't want to have that enable. So now it will not going to like give you any message. And let's just go back. And go to the routine. And inside the routine, as you can see, I have used this speaker announce function to execute my Alexa devices. So let's just click on it and see uh, what I have chosen in order to execute my routine. So I have choose when I have used voice monkey Amazon speaker announcement. So if I click delete and create and add an event, and I need to use smart home here. Inside the smart home, you can see the trigger which is found inside Alexa as a virtual device. So let me just go back again and see whether we are able to find it or not. So it should be like voice monkey Amazon speaker announce. So as you can see, it's there. So I will just use that and click on save. And when I press this, I have used this event. It's a toggle, so it's a kind of a bulb which I set it for toggle on or off. So if it is on, it will turn off, and it is off, then it will turn on. So very simple task, and I will just click on next. And this is our finished version of it. So I will just use our web interface to trigger this particular thing, and it should turn on and off our bulb. So I will just create finish on it, and I will just open our camera to see that, to show you that whether it's working or not. So sorry about the close-up. So as you can see, this is the trigger. So it is the same when we use a URL. I will show you where to get the URL. So for now, just for testing purpose, I will just click on it, and the light which you have from which you are getting a light is here. So it is a on off device. So when I click on it, it should turn off. So I'm clicking on it. So now it is off because it is toggle. So if I click it again, it will turn on again. So when I click on it, it will turn on again. So as you can see, how easy it is to do all those stuff with this. So that's how you create a trigger. So I haven't covered Amazon speaker part, so I will just also do that in a bit. It need to be shown because it's kind of complicated. So for now, our trigger is working. So let's just go to the desktop and see what else is left. So now you can see this is the announcement API where we can use our speakers. So as you can see, I have added all the speakers. So this one is not available in my room, so I will not use it, but I have added the in a similar way my EcoShow 8, which is here. So I will just select that and type any text on it, and when I click on it, so when I send the request, it should.
Hey Leo.
So as you can see, what it does is it takes the text and announce it on this particular device. So that is where you can use your added speakers for the purpose of announcements and and related activities. Like you have other activities, like you can send audio files to it, you can open website, and many types of stuff. And if you're interested, I will create a detailed video about it. But I think that is enough for this particular tutorial. So now let's just come back to what we were doing. So here in the call setup, you will see HTTP request. So in this particular section, all you need to do is, I have used HTTP request action, and this you need to paste the URL which you have find out in this particular section, routine trigger API. So this is the URL which you will be needing in order to execute your routine. So you can just add anything, any text to it. So I will just give you a demo that how it will look like.
MySing online, your phone is ringing. Please attend your phone.